I'm Will, and this is my web game project. I have multiple web pages set up. There is an index page which contains information about the game, a sign-in page where users can log into their account, a 401 page where users are sent if their login is incorrect, a register page where users can create accounts, a 400 page where users are sent if their username already exists, a working 404 page where users are sent if the page is not found. Finally, the game page, which features a brief loading screen before launching. Each page is also responsive to different screen resolutions. The scene features a loaded GLTF model with animations. The game features an environment of sandcastles made out of cubes. The sandcastles cast and receive shadows. These sandcastles also spawn at regular intervals. The ball is also a GLTF model, which uses a particle system when destroyed. Players can interact with the game by left-clicking or pressing on the screen on mobile devices. There are 3 UI elements: score, time, and balls remaining. As the time decreases, the speed that the camera travels at increases, making the game more difficult. The game features multiple instances of audio, which can be heard now. The scene is built from geometry within Three.js. The game features Ammo.js physics. This handles all the collisions and moving objects in the scene. Each object is created from a mesh within Three.js, then assigned a rigid body from Ammo. When these objects are no longer within the camera view, they are removed from the scene. This helps increase performance. When the game ends, the user can restart it or return to the menu. If they are not signed in, no high score will be displayed. When the game ends, the user is shown their score and their high score. The user's score is stored on a PHP database. The server is deployed locally using Node.js and XAMPP. XAMPP uses Apache to handle HTTP requests and serve the web pages, and MySQL to host the database. When registering, a check is made to see if the username exists. If it does, the user is sent to the 400 page. If the username is available, it is sent to the server, which then inserts it into the database along with a password, which is encrypted using bcrypt. Each user is initially assigned a score of 0. The PHP database contains ID, username, password, and score. When signing in, if the user can't be found, they are sent to the 401 page. If found, the password is decrypted and matched to the user input. If matched correctly, the currently signed in user is saved to a JWT cookie. The JWT cookie has a secure key, which is used to validate the user and keep them signed in securely. When finishing the game, this cookie is used to find the user whose score should be inserted into the database if greater than their current high score. Thank you for listening.